How many of you guys are going to be cooking for Easter? Well, today I have the perfect appetizer for you. We are making Cajun shrimp deviled egg. They're so amazingly delicious. It takes no time. Before I begin, be sure you like this video if you enjoy it. Of course, subscribe if you're new here, and let's dive in. We're going to start by boiling our egg. I'm using 7 eggs for today's recipe. So I have a pot with about half full of water. I'm going to add in the eggs right in. We're going to cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they're nice and cooked. While the eggs are boiling, I have some large and deveined shrimp here. I am going to drizzle some olive oil on there. Make sure you pat them dry before you start seasoning them. Once you mix it together, the olive oil is well coated with it, you are going to season it. I have some Creole onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and some Cajun seasoning here. Ground black pepper as well. So I'm going to mix that together. Everything will be below for you. Once you have the shrimp nice and seasoned, we are going to pan sear the shrimp. This recipe is extremely easy, so I think anyone can do this. Now I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. You can also use oil, but I'm using butter. I'm going to allow that to melt. Notice I'm using a tongue that has the rubber tip because I don't want to scrape these brand new skillet. A lot of you guys have been asking about the skillet. I will leave them down below. I love them so much. I ordered some more in the white color. Now I'm going to add in the shrimp, just like this. We're going to cook them for about 40 to 60 seconds per side. Just not to overcook them so much. And these are large shrimp, like they are very, very big. So for about 60 seconds, then we can flip them over so they do not overcook. Another way you can tell if your shrimp is cooked on one side, you're gonna notice the tail is turning pink. Once it's nice and pink, flip it over. As you can see, these are already turning pink. And I love this skillet so much. Like I said, it's non-stick. It's so easy to clean. It's perfect, especially for me because I cook a lot and cleaning dishes is something that I do on a daily basis. It's so easy for me to clean. All right, we're gonna flip it over for another 40 seconds. We can remove them. Time to remove the shrimp. They are looking absolutely delicious right now. And the aroma from all the seasoning, so good. Just remove them for now. They look so good. Take a look how beautiful this is. Delicious. The eggs are nice and done. I am going to place them into this ice cold water so I can peel them. Okay. Just set them on here. We're going to remove them from the shell. Just like this. Now they're nice and cool. They're not burning my fingers. Now we're going to slice the egg right in the middle so we can remove the yolk. As you can see, it's perfectly cooked. Just remove it, place it to a bowl, and we can set this here. And we're going to keep going until we are completely remove all of the yolk from the eggs. All right, we have all the yolk in the bowl. I am going to add in a little bit of mayo, a little bit of Dijon mustard. You can add yellow mustard, of course, if you like. I have some salt and pepper that I'm going to add in. Now I'm going to add some sweet relish. Give that a mix. I'm going to mix everything together just like this. And at this point, you can taste it to see if you need to add any more salt and pepper. But basically, it is done. So now we are going to take like a spoonful of that egg mixture. We're going to add it, very small actually. We're going to add it right back into the eggshell, just like this. Now you can pipe this if you like, but I am going to place my shrimp right on top of it. I don't think I need to make it pretty because it's going to be ruined anyways. Just like this. And if you hear anything, it's my son, he's here. So I'm so sorry about that. Now we might not have enough for all the eggshell because I am adding a little bit more than I'm supposed to, which is fine. Just like this. Right, now guys, I am going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika on top of the egg just for, you know, to garnish real quick. And also we are going to be adding our amazing Cajun shrimp right on top. Just like this. Just like this. Ooh. Looks good. I'm going to place it right on there, just like this. Beautiful. There you go. We gotta add some parsley to garnish. All right, guys, I am super excited to try these Cajun shrimp deviled eggs. Let's give it a try, shall we? Ooh. Wow. This will be the most easiest, delicious deviled eggs you'll ever make. So amazingly tasty, so effortless to make. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you try these deviled eggs for Easter Sunday. I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.